I welcome you all in today's SST class. I shall start with chapter 17, our national symbols. Children, you know, national symbols are patriotic symbols representing nations and countries. The Republic of India has several official national symbols, including a flag, an emblem, an anthem, flower, flag, etc. All the symbols were picked up at different times. Children, in this chapter we are going to learn about 7 national symbols. They are national flag, national emblem, national anthem, national song, national animal, national flower, and national bird. Children, you know, every independent country has its own flag and national anthem. Tiranga is our national flag. Look at the flag, how beautiful it looks. It is our national flag. It is called Tiranga or tricolor. It is called Tiranga because it has 3 colors. These 3 colors have their own meaning. On the top is the saffron color, that is orange. It stands for courage and sacrifice. In the middle is the white color. It stands for truth and peace. At the bottom is the green color. It stands for prosperity. In the center of the white band, there is a chakra. This chakra is the Ashok chakra, a wheel which has 24 spokes. The chakra stands for progress. 24 spokes stand for 24 hours in a day. This is our national emblem. Have you ever seen this emblem before? Yes, you all must have seen. You will find it on all government documents. You must have seen it on notes, coins, and all the official documents. Children, this is the seal of the Government of India. Our national emblem has been taken from a pillar at Sarnath near Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, which was built by Emperor Ashoka. The emblem has 4 lions facing the 4 directions, but one can see only 3 of them at a glance. They are mounted on a disc which has a wheel, a horse, and a bull. The words Satyamev Jayate are written below the wheel, which means truth alone conquers. The horse stands for power and courage, and the bull stands for hard work. National Anthem. Our national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore in praise of our motherland, India. We all sing the national anthem in our school after the morning assembly is over. It is also sung on all important occasions. Children, we must respect our national anthem. We must always stand up when the national anthem is being sung or played. We must learn the words of the national anthem properly and correctly, which are given in your book. So children, our national anthem is Jana Gana Man Adhinayak Jai Hai. National song is Vande Mataram. It was written in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. It was a source of great inspiration for the people during the freedom struggle. The national animal of India is tiger. It is one of the most powerful animals in the world. National flower. Look at the beautiful flower. It is a lotus, which is our national flower. National bird. Peacock. What a beautiful bird it is. Yes, the peacock is our national bird. Children, that's all for today. Bye.